Oh, come here. Come here. Okay, so for the longest time, this is how this wall looked. I was thinking of putting some big art, but because we are planning to paint a mural on that opposite wall, so a huge painting here, a huge painting over there, it would be a little bit overwhelming, and I don't like much the maximalist kind of thing. So I'm going to go for the easy way, which is making a gallery wall. So this is our project for today. Let's go for it. Before we know what we need, a cutting mat, some rulers, also tape measure, masking tape, thread, some knives, and maybe scissors, pencil, soft rubber, maybe pliers, and a level. We are going to also need some spare paper, maybe a ladder, and of course this too. Okay, so let's get the party started. I forgot to mention, I made a little map, a little reminder. As always, thank you for joining us.